सर से गुफ्तगू के लिए। अख्तर शाह एडवोकेट सुप्रीम कोर्ट के मुशर्रफ साहब के एडवोकेट भी रहे, तो मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ लाए और मुशर्रफ साहब की ज़िंदगी के हवाले से करें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Chairman, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, this is a gift to you by General Pervez Musharraf. As I have been introduced, my name is Major Akhtar Shah, retired military officer. I'm advocate Supreme Court of Pakistan, proud Canadian, proud Pakistani, and Chairman Asia Pacific region, 20 countries. Mr. Chairman, with your permission, I may take a little while. Now let me tell you what is a democracy and what is a dictatorship. I'll speak in two languages because this broadcast, this speech is being heard in Canada and America and in China as well. Democracy is a state of mind. Even so-called civilian, General Pervez Musharraf, as I know him personally, I met him, I know his feelings. He was sincere, honest to the people of Pakistan, to Pakistan. He saved our country, he saved this nation. In his mind, it was a pure democracy. So people, those who say dictator, they don't know the definition of dictator, even they don't know about themselves. But to talk of dictatorship or democracy, I have talking this thing, I've been speaking this on the forum of Canada and America as well, and they recognize him. They recognize him, and I got famous because of General Pervez Musharraf, because of being Pakistani, because Advocate Supreme Court of Pakistan. Now let's now go over the emergency. 3rd November 2009. 2007. Read the last para. After having consulted Prime Minister, Cabinet, Governors, Chief Ministers, and Army Commanders, I hereby proclaim emergency, which is just for 15 days. And then few lies, they just got up. I'm also a lawyer. Few lies just got up. What has happened? Democracy. Oh, please, for God's sake, read the definition of democracy. Keep your justice system up. You are at 48th position. You are talking about justice. You are talking about democracy. And then we have been in the Supreme Court fighting together. Just telling the people, this is the democracy. We want to have a strong Pakistan. And then only he was the one under Article 6. Can anybody, just one person can bring it, can go for the Article 6, can bring a martial in this country? No, never, not at all. Justice system has killed him. I know his feeling. I've been very close to him, and Mr. Kasuri knows very well. He was crying, he was weeping, not because of his act, because justice system was killing him. And then at the last stage, when the announcement of that, whatever you call it, sentence was done in that case, Article 6 case, last night, one night prior to that, he told me he wants to appear, he wants to come. I stood up over there before the judgment was announced. I said, Your Lordship, he wants to come. And nobody listened to that. And just pronounced it. And then they felt very happy about it. Oh, we have given him. You have given a sentence to the justice system, not to him. Vocal, because I'm honest. I'm steadfast. We can move the world. Pakistani nation is the best nation. Pakistan judiciary is the best judiciary, though I say like that as well, because Pakistan is my country. We're the best lawyers, though something very wrong has happened to him. We are the best people. No one can defeat us. We can move the world. We can move the world. And we have the ability. But we lost our leadership. Today, let me tell you, this nation is the best nation. This is the best country. I've seen other countries as well. I know them what they are. Provided we as a nation be disciplined. And our leadership should be sincere and honest. What honest? Honest to the people of Pakistan. Honest to the country. Public law. When we say, yes, I say, we believe in supremacy of Allah and rule of law. We the liars. We the liars. We stood up. Rule of law, rule of law, rule of law. What is a rule of law? Do you know the definition of rule of law? Honesty, sincerity. Public interest has to be kept at the top. Are we serving the public? Are we bringing justice to the public? Do we have Article 25 equal rights for the people of Pakistan? Do we have education for every children? Article 25A of the Constitution? Constitution was held in abeyance. What is now? No even Constitution has been buried. All right,